Hey, welcome back to Level 6 Fabrication. I'm Chris. There's cameraman Mac setting up the stand. Oh, what do we got to tell you? Hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. Helps us along, helps us with everything we're doing. You know the spiel. So what else? Okay, so we've got most of the front end of the Bentley off, but we're actually not going to be not focusing on that. This is just going to be a quick episode. We'll show you what's going on in the shop. Got a new 4Runner in that's getting PPF. Range Rover is getting ceramic coating, and for this episode we're just going to do a quick install of a soft tonneau cover for my friend's F-150. So we're going to get this cleaned up. There's a bunch of drywall dust and stuff in the back, so I'm going to sweep it out, pressure wash it, get ready to do a nice clean job like we always do. All right, so I'm covered in drywall plaster now, but hey, it is what it is. We're not here to look pretty, obviously. All right, so what do we got? Like I said, we got a soft tonneau cover, and cameraman Mac.
I am a soft tonneau cover.
He is a soft tonneau cover. It is what it is. We stopped for a little too much fast food. Yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing of this, and then we'll kick the camera over to the truck as we do the install. There's some cut lines on either side. Got a little razor blade, gonna open her up. All right, we got stuff, and it is soft.
Got one pack here of looks like a butyl rubber foam.
Butyl rubber foam.
One package of constructions.
And some BS. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Goodbye.
Okay, looks like we have all of the components. That's all that's required.
Wow, they thought of everything. More cardboard.
Beautiful thing.
So hopefully this is simple enough that even we can't screw it up. So let's take it over to the truck.
So, according to the constructions, if the front edge of the truck bed is lower than the side rails, which it is on our Ford, you will have to fill that gap using this roll of weather stripping. So we'll do that first. We're going to clean the truck off there, seal this down, and then installing the tonneau cover should be relatively simple.
As you can see, got splashed everywhere. We'll give the truck a hose down after we're done, but we're going to start by, we got these heavy duty clean them degreasers kind of thing. So we're going to go all around the edge because we want to make sure there's a really good seal for that weather stripping up front and for all the points where it affixes along the bed rails. So cue the time lapse. So like Mac pointed out, there's a weather strip here. One side's sticky, you peel back the tape. It goes along this edge because it's lower here, just to take up the difference to keep the elements out. So we're going to install this first before we get to the next step. It is a little longer, so we have a razor blade to trim the extra length that's on here. up it. Okay, so this is held in place with two clamps that essentially spin, and then it's like a little ratchet style just to lock it in, like a cam lock. Those are located right here. So in the down position, you can turn it to create as much tension as you want. So when it goes under the lip, you just lock it in place. Get on that. It may take a couple of minutes on each side just to get the right fitment, but this is actually pretty straightforward. Alright, so super simple. When this is up, it has these tags that there's a receiving end on that side as well, which is a really nice feature. I'm not sure how strong they are, but it'll at least hold. So we're going to unfold it and show you the rest of it. As you can see, same tabs on either side. Alright, not sure if you can actually see much in here, but you can just trust me. So I'm just applying a little bit of pressure here. Same as before. Wind it up so when you cam lock it in place, it's got pressure. Down. All right, so this is pretty straightforward. I think from cleaning the edges, unboxing everything, and getting it affixed to the truck was maybe 25 minutes that we had to deal with using the cameras. I'm pretty sure you could do it in 25 minutes and have a coffee or beer or whatever it is you gotta do, half an hour tops. One of the things, like we did a test run to make sure it all worked and we had it done right, those latches in there will explain how to use them properly as you're rolling it back up, because you don't want to go and puncture your brand new top. I'm not sure what it's made out of. It's some type of synthetic, like a vinyl or something like that. So we'll show you right now. We'll walk you through how to get this back up and use the clips to attach it. So, one off, two off. Now these are the latches. You've got to put them back into place and clip them up, because if you leave that part that cameraman Mac had sticking out, it's going to go through your vinyl the moment you do this. All right, and now you'll see these. Yeah, so he'll do a demonstration, but you can see how that would ruin your day really quickly. Yeah, they go back into place really simply, and then you lower, and it's got these two clicks. There you go. That'll keep it nice and steady. Now we'll unclip them, and we'll bring it back out. see, you can go from folded up to closed gate in about 17 seconds, or in the reverse. Pretty simple. All right, that pretty much wraps this one up. We got a few other things we're gonna clean up in the shop before we take off for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this. For cameraman Mac, I'm Chris. It's Level 6 Fabrication. Have an awesome night. We out. All right, now on a side note, to all you young entrepreneurs and business people, go that extra mile. We weren't asked to wash the vehicle, but you know what? Regardless of whether it's a friend or a client, just deliver the best product you can, little value-added service, and that's how you get your repeat business and your reputation. Peace.